This time I explain the stage of making a tiny house on wheels like this example from the beginning to the interior through 3D modeling illustration that I demonstrate in this video. The first step that needs to be considered is the main structure in each corner of the room and the foundation frame that supports the tiny house wheels chassis. I apply a slope to the sloping wall on the left side of around 10 degrees so that it resembles the tiny house design reference. After the front and back side frames are formed, then we connect the two frame portals with a transfer frames as reinforcement. Then we shape the front door pattern so that it is close to the design example. This time we need to adjust the slope of the roof and the slope of the window door opening to match the design example. After that, we make door and window frames with large glass openings. This large glass is used to maximize natural lighting in the interior of both the ground floor and the loft bed. This element is the signature element of this tiny house, which is the main accent of both the exterior and interior appearance of the tiny house. Next, we make the wall panels. In reality, the wall panels consist of foam, waterproof paper, panel board, and the outermost is siding. In the interior of the room, it is also siding, but perhaps that is specifically for interior panels. After that, I made a simple shape on the roof. This part of the roof consists of a roof frame which in between consists of foam, waterproof paper, multiplex, and the outermost roof covering. Then we adjust the color of the siding, frame and roof so that is close to the existing tiny house example. In the interior, I illustrate the composition of the ground floor space. There is a central area in the form of a kitchen, small dining table, cabinets. The rightmost side is used for the bathroom and toilet, and the attic is used for a queen-size bedroom. What do you think about the tiny house design in this time? Please write in the comment column below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and look forward to our videos on the next content. Thank you.